So, over the years, Blender artists have always participated in one form of challenge or the other, creating amazing pieces and also being part of a movement to help CG artists regardless of any software that they're working on to get better. And with the new year here, it is now time for artists to get ready for a new challenge. But this year, there will be no Sculpt January, as the folks at CG Boost previously announced that 2023 will be the last time they will be hosting the event, as Sculpt January is no longer something that they are focusing on doing. And as it states here, although this is a super fun challenge and we love to see all your great sculptures, we're in the process of refocusing our time and energy on the projects that really matter to us to provide the best quality in what we do best, which includes tutorials and courses. And speaking about courses, they recently announced a cool course which I believe anyone who is interested in learning how to animate stuff in Blender, or probably you like to get on with how you can create hard surface models in a fun and easy way, then this course is definitely one I would suggest that you come through and check, as this course is fully packed to the brim and it scales all the way to 90 plus lessons which are running for 11 plus hours. All the project files that are related to this course are available and you can come through and read up on all of this. But then if you're interested in joining a challenge and you're thinking about ways to hone your skill, probably you want to diversify your portfolio, you want to jump on new stuff, then of course you can take a look at Blender 52. Blender 52 is a weekly prompt which actually gives everyone an opportunity to spend more time creating stuff every single week. Unlike other challenges that simply forces you to work on one particular prompt every single day, this spreads it all the way out to 52 weeks. That simply makes a year. And to me, I think this gives artists more time to brainstorm on the idea that they're trying to work on and also polish it as much as they can, as the official 2024 weekly theme list has been released and this cuts across the whole 52 weeks of the year. So from Dreams to Greek, Neon, Robot, Flash, Garden, Asymmetric, all the way down to Danger, Digital, Power, and also Shrink. So if you're thinking about joining this, probably you want to create something new every single week, then of course there is something for you. At no point within the year would you be stuck without an idea of something to make, as this is more like a yearly guide to get you up and running. If you're super excited about this, then of course you can hop on it and start creating. And the only thing that you need to do for this particular challenge is once you're done, you can render it and put the hashtag Blender52, and of course you can share this on social media channels including Instagram and Twitter. So this is it. Links to this is going to be in the description, so do well to check it out. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and until I see you guys in the next one, peace.